In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your dividends and upcoming payouts in the Robinhood app. We'll start right inside the app, open Robinhood and head to the Account tab, then tap History. This is your activity hub where every transaction is listed in chronological order. It can look busy, but don't worry, we're going to narrow it down so you only see what matters for dividends. Next, filter your history by dividends. Use the filter option and select dividends so the list shows only your past dividend payments. This gives you a clean timeline of what you've actually received, symbol by symbol and date by date. It's a simple way to confirm cash that's hit your account and to spot patterns like which holdings pay monthly or quarterly. If you tap into an individual entry, you'll typically see the ticker and the amount credited. This view is perfect for quick check-ins or when you're reconciling recent payouts. Now, for anything coming up, go to the individual stock or ETF's detail page and look for the upcoming activity section. This is where Robinhood highlights declared dividends that are on the calendar. You'll usually see the expected payment date and the projected amount based on your current shares. Keep in mind, upcoming entries can be estimates and are tied to eligibility rules, such as the record date and your share count at that time. If you've recently changed your position, that final amount may adjust. It's a useful snapshot to anticipate cash flow and plan reinvestments. If you want a fuller monthly picture, open the Account tab again and go to Statements. Your monthly account statements provide a detailed record of activity, including dividends credited during each month. This is especially helpful for organizing finances, tracking year-to-date income, or preparing for tax season. Browse the statements by month to see a consolidated summary and compare it with what you saw in history for added confidence. With these views, history filtered by dividends, upcoming activity on each stock or ETF, and your monthly statements, you'll have a complete handle on both what you've received and what's scheduled next. It's a simple routine. Confirm past payouts, preview what's on the way, and keep a monthly paper trail for clarity. If anything looks off, give it a little time for updates to post, and make sure your app is current. Companies can change dividend schedules and final amounts can shift based on share changes or eligibility, but using these tools together will keep your dividend tracking accurate and stress-free.